Almighty gun lords, gun gods, gun greats, I call upon you to answer this question. Is the Glock 40 still the king of carry, the king of problem solving? Or have these modern day children just taking over the market with their disgusting features? You think I want no metal hammer fired gun? What a disgusting gun. Oh my god, it's a SIG. Will it shoot me? Let's find out. Why even bother when you could just come to Glock and have the almighty problem solver of a 40 cal Glock? And look at this. It's pocket sized. Oh